What is going on, guys? Good morning. So this year it doesn't snow all that often, so when it does, I really try to give you some snow content on my Michelin Alpine 5'S. This is the first season with the tires, and I'm just very impressed with the tire. Again, it's only a couple of inches, but I have no problem cruising through this snow. I go past by these pickup trucks, and they look at me like I'm crazy because I am driving a 500 horsepower M4 lowered that is like a few inches from the ground. But it does excellent job. Just stop and go. Right here, I'm coming up on this corner. So I'm gonna keep the traction control on and then see how it goes into this corner. It's like a 90-degree corner here. My favorite corner on the way to work, of course. Yeah, so downshift. And I'm driving a stick shift performance coupe in the snow with one hand because the other hand is filming, of course. So here's the corner. Switch hands. Yeah, so here's this SUV. Bam. It's kicking the rear out a little bit, of course, because it's so light. But I'm already like caught up to the guy real quickly. I'm probably gonna pass him and he's gonna be like, what the hell is going on? Yeah, so ideally for some added traction, because it's not 4x4, for added traction with getting going, I would throw something heavy in the trunk because it's so light in the rear. But in this case, it didn't even snow that bad. It's probably 2 inches, I don't know. And no problem whatsoever, just cruising to work at all. So give you a little side to side action, but as you can see, it kicked out a little bit right there. But other than this, look, who can do this in the snow in any car, not just a lowered M4 competition? 530 horsepower. Look, up, but then it just goes straight. See, I can do some, silly stuff, and then it goes straight when I need it to. That's the point. Yeah, guys, so dedicated snow tires, dedicated winter tires make a world of difference in the snow. It is crazy how much better they are even over all seasons. I have all seasons on the X5, and they're good, they're decent, but I don't feel as safe in the SUV on all seasons. But I do feel safe on dedicated snow tire on my M4. It just handles very, very well. So I'm cruising 30, 40, maybe even 50 on a couple inches of snow. And it's cold. Like, it's really cold. So I think it's good negative 12 Celsius right now, and which means there's like ice underneath the snow, and it, you know, handles very, very good. All right, guys, it's 5 minutes. I'm gonna wrap this video up. Don't want to make it too long, but my opinion on the Michelin ALPIN 5s is amazing tire. Not only that it handles amazingly in the snow, it handles extremely good on dry pavement, which is very important to me because, like I said, it doesn't snow much at all here. So I'm coming up to a stop, boom, and we're stopped. No problem. Yep, thumbs up for these tires, and if you don't mind, thumbs up on this video, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it so now, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.